Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is definitely not the video that I wanted to be making today. But if you could not tell by the intro clips, sludgy stuff all over the oil cap, super runny oil, I don't know. It also smokes on startup. You couldn't see that in the video. I didn't put it in there. But long story short, head gasket's blown. And that means I'm out of another car. To keep the story straight to the point, basically, since I bought the car, it's had like intermediate overheating issues and it would smoke on startup. I thought maybe it was like old gas, because like that's what it's done ever since I first bought the car. Smoked on startup, thought it was old gas, maybe it had some water in the tank. No big deal, right? It only overheated like once or twice. Like once whenever I first bought the car, because we didn't bleed the coolant system right, which could have been the reason it blew in the first place. But ever since I got it, it would intermediately overheat and it would smoke on startup, but it drove fine, so I didn't really think anything of it. It was a little rough on the idle. And about a week ago from whenever this was posted, it overheated one time. I pulled over on the side of the road. It was like what it always does, it overheats a little bit, bled the coolant system, let some pressure out. I drove it home, didn't really think much of it because, I mean, it drove home fine. About a week later, checked the oil, checked the oil cap, super runny, super sludgy, and smoked like a freight train when I started it up. I don't have any video clips of it because I was too upset and disappointed to actually care to film anything. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Got a blown up motor, pretty much, blown up car, don't work. If you don't know anything about this car, it's my 97 E36, 97 328i. Bought it about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months ago for like $2,800. Thought it was a good deal. Turns out it wasn't. Spent a lot of time fixing, doing some maintenance on it. Thought I could get it up running again. But I took a huge L on this one, boys. A huge one. But that leaves a question. What do you guys think I should do with the car? Do you guys think I should sell it, get a little bit of my money back? I'm definitely taking a $2,000 loss on this, considering I put about $3,500 into it, and I might be able to get $1,000 out of it with a blown motor, maybe if I'm lucky. Next option would be keep the car, try and fix it, but that would require pulling the motor out, replacing the head gasket, taking it to a machine shop, get the valves redone, or maybe the valves, get the head resurfaced. But the issue is I'm currently in college, which is why I've not been uploading. Work part-time, I'm a college student, don't have a whole lot of time to actually take on a project like that, so I'm thinking sell the car, but I want to see what you guys think about it. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you guys think I should sell it, should keep it. If you guys want to keep seeing content about this car, I'd be happy to try and do it. It just takes some time to get my money up. But if I sell the car, I'd like to take that money and possibly do some kind of side hustle series, or like get my money up, maybe buy and flip a car, and eventually get another E36, something like that. I don't know. If you could, guys, leave me some thoughts down below, something for me to consider, because I want to know what you guys think. But yeah, the series of unfortunate events, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. If you want to check out the Turbo series, I've not done anything about that in a while, but I'll leave a link down below. If you want to check out the 240 series, I want to get back into that. Check that out also. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. I'll see y'all in the next one.